Finding a psychic chat room can be difficult. First things first, you need to know how to locate a psychic chat room. Many of the big psychic networks will have some psychics that do work that way. To find out, you may need to call them or check out their websites to see if they have anything like that. If you don't want to use one of the big psychic networks, don't worry, there are plenty of other ways to find a chat room. Just go to your favorite search engine and do a search. You can use terms like psychic chat room or even free psychic chat room. This will bring up a ton of results for you, many of which are likely to be part of a psychic network. There is nothing wrong with the psychic network, so if that's what you're going to use, then don't be worried about it. There are a few spiritual chat rooms out there that are free, but you need to be careful with these as it's likely that they are open to the public, and you may have more than one person in the room at a time. For most of us, this is not a big deal, but if you're needing to talk about something that you don't want others to know about, then you may want to opt for the paid version, which is where you talk to the psychic one-on-one. The psychic chat room might not be something that everyone will want to try out, but I can tell you that it's worth it if you need a reading that is going to be confidential and cost-effective as well. The paid versions of the room are often a touch cheaper than it would be to call a psychic, and they are far less expensive than going to see one in person. Just keep in mind that this type of reading isn't for everyone, and not all psychics will work in a chat room. It's generally the most experienced that you will find in a room. So stay on your toes and remember to do some research before you just jump into a random psychic chat room. You don't want to end up paying for something that isn't going to fulfill your needs, and you certainly don't want to waste your time either.